What's going on, YouTube? We're back. Another Fat Guy Builds video. And today we're doing a pretty cheap mod. We're going to do an X-pipe and get rid of the resonator. So I'm changing the resonator to a X-pipe. And it should give me enough sound to be cool with it since it's a family SUV type thing. But also give it something, because right now it's like a Prius. So I'll show you what everything looks like, the old piece versus the new piece, and you make your determination based on how the stock sound is compared to the new sound. Okay, so this is the stock exhaust. I'm roughly 2 feet away from the tip. So there's just no sound at all. Let me get in and rev it for you real quick. All right, it's all done. Let's see if it sounds any different. It's a little louder, but not a whole lot. Let me go rev it up for you like this. See what the difference is. We're back in the shop. I'm gonna lift this up right now and take a look at how everything's done. I had the exhaust shop reuse the factory clamps and the front pieces of the factory resonator muffler thing. Then you bent and welded in new hangers, which is nice. And then this is all welded. And then the factory axle back, I guess you want to call it, just welds into it here. So pretty simple. Cost what, 225 bucks plus tax. Get this nice X pipe. So I believe this pipe is 2 1/4 inch. So if you're ordering an X pipe, it should be 2 1/4 inch inlet outlets. Here is the factory beast of a muffler. It's a little setup different than the straight through resonator. So I would consider this a muffler, not a resonator, but I'm sure it does the same purpose. So on the inlet, so this side is from the turbos, and that side goes to the back of the car. Here they have this spring-loaded little flappy thing, and I guess when exhaust flows it pushes a spring, right, and then it moves. It's like a big ass throttle plate. Issue is that obviously requires horsepower worth of flow to open. I noticed after doing the swap, turbo spooled quicker and it felt like the torque came in harder. I doubt it helped at the top end, really, probably, because I still have the stock huge mufflers on the back, stock cats, stock everything else. So for the 225 bucks, I think it's worth it. That thing's a lot heavier too. Yeah, who knows? It's probably 35 pounds. If you're doing it yourselves, this is where he cut it to get the front pieces to use the factory clamps and everything. So he reused the pipe from here. It's like pretty much from like here to here. So that, and then where he cut in the back, He cut it after it transitioned down. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. Hopefully this helps you decide whether or not you want to do an X-pipe. Doesn't add any more loudness to the car, really, at all. My wife had no idea I did it. And that's another good thing for us guys who were trying to hide stuff from their wives. So, 225 plus tax was like 241, you know, at least where I'm at. Performance difference, no sound difference. Till next time, wrench on.